We are installing an outdoor TV, actually a TV that's going outdoors. So we've ordered the TV hardware on Amazon and outdoor TV cover. And we've measured where we want the TV. Yeah. You're dirty. And your face is all scratched. No, there's not. Subscribe to your channel.
Alright, we're going to need a hammer. We're going to need tools. Probably a bit.
Subscribe to your channel, guys. Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. I'm Mr. Dodgy. I want to subscribe to your channel. So awesome. Bye bye. Subscribe to your channel, right? Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel, bro. Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel, bro. I don't know this. I don't know.
I'm going to find out what size bit they need.
I'm gonna watch this all day.
3/8 inch bit. Okay, 3/8 inch bit.
Hey, Free Ranch. Hey, Free Ranch in here, and I don't want to. Wait. What's that? Oh, yeah. Wait. Start over. Start over the video. Start over the video. Well, I said start over the video. No, I said start over the video. Are you listening to me? Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening? I said start.